Hey folks, welcome to Mountain Block Moments, a collection of short videos just chronicling the development of a rough mountain block. Thanks for watching.
Are you fitting?
No. Those top holes are quarter of a hole out.
So what, you gotta take it home and re-drill?
I know what I'm going to do.
Tear the crotch out of your 90, that would.
Every time I try to do something.
Lynn's there to help.
I don't know why that would be so bloody. Like half a hole out.
Oh. Right.
I'll get the oxy and cut it out.
Next week.
Well, Eric will like that. He likes doing the oxy. It's a bit of a... definitely not going to fit. Well, maybe we'll have better success on this side.
Should be exactly the same.
That might go your way, you never know.
No, I do know.
So pessimistic.
Because that's life. One shit sandwich after another. Better than being dead, but...
Where is that?
Failure and go up the top. At least I might be able to see some cows. same issue.
Which holes are tight there?
Oh, it doesn't matter, they would go through. There's no point punching them through when that's half a hole out there. Well, bring the oxy up next week and
Don't want to do your little piece to camera?
not really. I'll upload it anyway.
Why not?
I don't know.
You could. There's enough there for a short 4-minute video.
Not feeling it.
Yeah. It's all good, babe.
Yeah, you want to have a cup of tea down here and then we'll...
He's getting organised. There's his hula lady.
One that he goes for his bed.
No, for Father's Day.
Father's Day, birthday, same
Where's
thing,
the
isn't it?
there's the fuzzy dice up there? You ready for this, Rob?
Yeah.
Go on. Be a little bit more optimistic. What are we testing today? See whether the
steering clutches are still playing up.
So we're going to go across the little creek and see whether we can start getting a pad organised to move camp. Hey,
Build a shed.
build a shed, put the caravan that's slowly disintegrating under some shade. Nice 3-bay shed. Get the bulldozer being looked after so it can continually break.
Bulldozer's got its own roof. It's the van and somewhere to work and...
So anyway, there he is. He gets to check out his hula lady. Fuzzy dice to look through. Being kitted up. Exciting days. All right, you ready? Oops. wasn't working as well as it should. It was getting there, or is it just stiff? Give us your best look of disappointment, heartache, heartbreak.
It's a ball.
So what seems to be the issue with it?
No idea. Steering clutches aren't working. The brakes come on, but the steering clutches don't work. Needs adjustment of some description, and I don't have enough brains to work out how to do that.
I'm sure if you take a moment, you will. Instead, he's now looking at cows coming in. A pretty good look from up here, watching the cows come in.
Oh,
They finally. Who's? Has she hidden it somewhere? Hopefully some cuddles with his cows will cheer him up a little. Although having a cow come in who's clearly given birth to a calf with no calf will not improve his disposition much. Which is understandable. And I might just go over to the tree so that they don't seem to get worried about what the heck I'm doing. I don't really appreciate it when they I still think she will have hidden it somewhere. They often seem to hide their calves. Get out of it, Lucy. And we're trying to figure out how to get to the hay. Shut up, Sid! Or they're going down to the water trough. Lucy! Come in. Here. Here. Here, sit. Good girls. One calf. Should be a few others. Here. Still got the neighbours. A cow and calf in. Feel slightly better about seeing a few more of your cows?
Oh, not when they turn up with no calves.
Think she's hidden it?
Who knows? Looks like it's sucked on her, but it won't survive up in the mountains by itself. I'm tired of cars going.
I know.
Thanks for watching, folks. See you on the next one.